Making 5,000 Naira daily has just gotten easier, especially if you are a complete beginner. There are several ways for you to make well over 5,000 Naira on a daily basis. The first method out of the two methods I'll be sharing with you in this video today is one that is considered to be very easy but also very unstable. The second method, however, is one that is considered to be a little tiresome, but is guaranteed to make you money for as long as you can foresee it. The choice is totally yours. Let me go straight ahead and share this method with you in this video today. The number one on our list in this video today is called tmgresearch.com. This platform is one that offers very simple paid surveys and market research opportunity. With tmgresearch.com, you get to share your opinions on various topics and you get paid for your feedback. Plus, with the daily pay app that is made available to you, you won't have to wait long for you to get your earnings. So if you are one that is kind of passionate about sharing your thoughts and your opinion on various products and services while you get paid for it during the process, tmgresearch.com is the best place for you. Moving on, we have timebox.com. I know quite a number of you must have heard about timebox.com, but then let me tell you a few things about timebox.com that you wish you knew. With this platform called timebox.com, you can earn money by participating in very simple tasks. And these tasks include things such as participating in very simple paid surveys, watching of videos, or even engaging with the social media. Here is one thing that has separated timebox.com from similar websites. Timebox.com have a very fast payout system, which allows you to withdraw your earnings on a daily basis. If you are therefore on the path of earning money online and you are looking for a platform that is reliable, timebox.com has got you covered. Websites like this are what you see a lot of guru online teaching with a claim that you can make well over 5,000 Naira on a daily basis. Well, I can give you a guarantee that you can make money doing this kind of surveys, but it is just peanuts. You can work for 6 months and you are unable to accumulate $10 from this platform. The question now arises, is this the right way for you to make money online? Technically speaking, it is right, simply because you are able to do some work and earn some money for yourself. But will it make you 5,000 Naira daily? The answer is absolutely no. Now listen to this. What I will recommend to you as the second option, I must tell you, won't be as easy as the first. You will be able to go through with it, and then you will also have the guarantee of making money on a daily basis. The first thing I would like to tell you when it comes to making money online on a daily basis is hinged on the audience that you get to build. Let me say that again. Once you're able to build an audience around just anything at all, that is exactly what it takes for you to make money. Now, allow me to walk you through the process. There are 3 ways that you can have this implemented as a beginner. Number 1 is when you become a content creator. As a content creator, you can easily build an audience around the content that you are creating. Take Facebook as an example, Instagram, TikTok, or even YouTube. All of these places are places where you can build an audience. You also watch some other creators the same way you are watching me right now. The obvious truth is that I am creating content with a bid to build an audience. The moment I am able to build this audience, I can easily monetize and make some money. The question may now arise, how do you go about this? Google gets to pay you when they put adverts on your page. Trust me when I say this, it is way more than 5,000 Naira on a daily basis. On a second note, if you are on Facebook, you are able to monetize your Facebook page if you build an audience on Facebook. And on TikTok, you can also go viral and then get along selling products through what is known as affiliate marketing, meaning you get to sell other people's products and you get a commission for it. These are things that you can do as a beginner simply because all that is needed of you is just to get the page started. And now take a look. Pick a niche. Now here is the catch. If you have the ability to niche down, it is what brings you much success in the realm of content creation. As an example, here on this channel, I mainly talk about content related to how to make money online. And I teach nothing else on this channel apart from that. But then let me whisper this to you, that I have some other channels that I also create content. Why don't I just combine all of these separate channels on this one, you may ask me? And the simple answer is because of niching. For you to be successful in creating content, you have to choose one. This is my advice to you, that as a beginner, You don't need to go into having multiple channels. The reason for this is because you won't be able to create the content that is equivalent that all of the multiple channels require, and nature will take its course and the channel will die. But if you have the courage to pick one in which you have so much interest in, no matter what it may be, you can create content around that realm and begin to build an audience around that niche of your choice. Then the money begins to flow. This exactly is what most of the online gurus are doing, and they keep this secret away from you. That makes them a lot of money, not to rely on some survey websites that can offer you nothing, but just to waste a lot of your precious time. Now, that is the first. Secondly, content writing. So if you fall under the category of this group of persons who don't like to stay in front of the camera like I am doing to create content, then this is best fit for you. A good number of you will say to me that you don't like the camera, telling me how much you are shy of being on the camera and whatnot. If that is your case, then you can go into content writing by blogging. All you simply need is to get to buy a website and start to blog about and around that thing that you love or something you know can make you money. So as opposed to facing the camera and putting out content like I am doing, you can decide to put out your thoughts into writing through blogging, and you can make a living for yourself without anyone seeing your face. A lot of people are doing this same thing, and they continue to rake in a lot of people on a daily basis who read the content that they put out on their blog. Now, let me show you the most common way you can make money through blogging. Google and some other form of ad network, when they put adverts on your blog post, they get to pay you. If you want to learn more about how to get started with blogging, leave me a comment in the comment section below and I'll give you a response. Now, that's all when it comes to building an audience through content writing via blogging. But it doesn't end there. The other way you can build an audience around a niche is to become a freelancer. In this case, you are not just creating content for them in video form or in written form like we have seen in the last two options that we looked at, so that Google can put adverts on your videos or on your blog posts so you can make money. No, here you just get to position yourself as a professional in a particular niche of your choice and offer services to your audience in that your chosen niche. This right here is what a lot of people don't know how to do on the online space. They have a skill, they must have learned several skills, but they don't know how to actually deliver these skills to the right audience. And as such, they leave a lot of money on the table as well. Let me explain this to you a little better. Assume that you are a video editor and you are registered on a freelance website such as Fiverr. You will not have to wait for the algorithm of Fiverr to recognize you and place you on the first page of Fiverr, such that you can get a lot of clients as well as customers, which is very much possible. But then, what if you find yourself in a situation where the reverse is the case, such that you are not ranking on the first page of the Fiverr website, and as such, you are not getting any form of orders? Would you decide to stay hungry as a result of that? Will your family members accept that excuse from you? I doubt if that is what you want to live your life to be centered about. Here is what I recommend that you do instead. Start to create the required content that is specifically dedicated to the people that is in need of the service in particular that you have skills in. As an example, every single business owner out there would love to have a top-notch video ad created for them so they can have a better reach to their intended audience. And a very good example could be how to create an attractive video advert for a tailor or for tailors in general. Once you are able to teach this online, every single tailor out there who is trying to figure out how to create video adverts and also run video ads for themselves, they soon will turn over to Google or even YouTube to start searching for answers. And when they get to search for how to create video ads for tailors as an example, what they get to see is your own tutorials that you have done, teaching about what exactly they are looking for. Trust me, it won't be easy for them to get their hands on these tutorials that you have done, because it will be kind of hard for them to go through with it and learn up the whole process in one day, as compared to you who is already a professional and they are doing tutorials on how to create video adverts for their businesses. They will therefore reach out to you who is the professional on creating video adverts for their business, and you get to do the job for them. At this point, you can begin to expand on the idea on creating video ads tutorials for businesses, and then little by little, you start building an audience around that service that you are offering. These same tactics you can actually use for just any other job on the online space. You could decide to target other areas of their businesses, be it website design, graphic design, or product design. It doesn't really matter which of the businesses, but then just find one and stick to it. Then grow within that area. But if you don't want to do anything at all on the online space and begin to make 5,000 Naira daily on the online space, then the possibility is 0 to none. But on the flip side of things, once you're able to master the art of selling, you have the guarantee to make money either online or offline. This singular problem may now arise. How do you get to bring about selling just anything at all on the online space and make tons and tons of money from it? To some people, it is called dropshipping. To some other persons, it is called e-commerce. It doesn't matter what you get to call it, but if you are able to lay your hands on the facilities that you need to learn how to sell, then you can begin to make money online. And the cool thing is that this doesn't matter if you are a freelancer or you are an affiliate. And this is usually more pronounced when you get to find yourself in a situation where you do not have enough money for you to run adverts. But then, here is a blueprint that I have compiled and also have it reserved just for you that will enable you to make massive sales without a single of your penny going into any form of adverts. And this blueprint I will leave behind in this very video. If you click to watch this video showing up right here, you would learn exactly how to sell for free and make money on the online space. And this will enable you to sell everything that you own if you choose to. If you are ready, then click to watch and I'll see you in the very next video.